Okay, today we're looking at LazBGI. This is an implementation of Borland's graphics interface, which was the graphics library for Turbo Pascal and Turbo C. Uh, it's also present in the Free Pascal and also Lazarus graph unit, but it doesn't integrate well with Lazarus. It doesn't allow you to use buttons and other components of Lazarus. So if you use the built-in one, you're kind of stuck with an application that's full screen but doesn't give you any of the windowing components. LazBGI, on the other hand, is not fully compatible but gives you that option of mixing uh, the Lazarus components with the graph unit. So here's the GitHub page. I will leave a link in the description, but I'm just going to run the demo so you can actually see what this allows you to do. All right, let's start with the simple demo, and I will just compile this. And here we go. So just some colors, some text, not too much happening. You can resize it. All right, let's close this. Close the project, open the next demo. Uh, let's try this is similar to the demo that came with the Turbo Pascal and Turbo C, but does it in a Lazarus way. So if we click on all these different options here, we can see even the graphs get resized when you resize the window. So that's nice. So if you notice, it blits everything pretty quickly, much faster than the default graph unit. And if we select the DOS character set, we can see all the extended characters. So I think this only supports 16 colors at the moment, but I think for most applications that should be okay if you're trying to port some old DOS application. And you could change the background color here. Let's choose this. All right, so that's it for that. And let's open the final demo. And it's called Diffusion. Let's run this. And here we go. Let's click Start. And if we move the adjuster here, we can see the points move faster. And if we move it to the left, it slows down. Let's stop it. Let's increase the amount of points. Let's put 1,000. All right. And again, we can resize. But it looks like when we resize, it stops it. Okay. So I just came across this and I thought I'd share this. Again, it's on GitHub. I'll put the link in the description. Thanks for watching.